This is the brief on the constitutional development of India under the British East India Company, specifically the Regulating Act of 1773 and the Amending Act of 1781. So, picture this: by the 1770s, the East India Company practically ruled Bengal, but they were completely bankrupt because their own employees were massively corrupt, which basically forced the British Parliament to step in and take charge. First, let's talk about centralization. Parliament elevated the Governor of Bengal to a new Governor General title. Warren Hastings was the very first guy to get it and gave him a four-member executive council. Crucially, this totally subordinated the rival presidencies of Bombay and Madras, meaning they literally couldn't declare war or make treaties on their own anymore. Second, Parliament had to establish judicial accountability to stop the bleeding. They set up a brand new Supreme Court in Calcutta with a Chief Justice and three judges, and strictly banned private trade and bribes. They were just fed up with watching employees get filthy rich while the company itself went totally broke. Finally, it turns out that 1773 Act was kind of flawed, mainly because the Governor General lacked veto power, which sparked huge jurisdiction clashes with the court. The Amending Act of 1781 fixed the whole shebang by drawing a clear line between the executive and the judiciary, while also mandating that courts respect local Hindu and Muslim personal laws. Ultimately, these acts marked the historic moment Britain started treating a trading company like a political power, laying down the early, albeit pretty messy, foundations for India's modern constitution.